Hi everyone, continuing the conversations from the Arab Health, and we're very kindly joined by the Chief Ventures Officer of Elegancia Healthcare, Mr. Bassam Sayad. Thank you very much for joining us. How's Arab Health been for you this year?
Thank you. Great. Actually, it's our first year as Elegancia Healthcare. It's great to be part of this great event. A lot of activities, a lot of people, a lot of interest, and a lot of people came to know who we are. We're about 2 years old now, so we're happy to participate in Arab Health in Dubai.
Now, understanding a bit more about Elegancia, how have you been transforming the healthcare sector in Doha in particular?
So Elegancia Healthcare is part of Istithmar Holding, which is a publicly listed company in Doha. We're unique in our approach to healthcare. We're taking advantage and filling a gap in the private health sector in Doha. We're entering the high-end, high-touch quality care in the private sector. Our affiliation with the View Hospital, a tertiary care hospital, is affiliated with Cedars-Sinai Medical Center in LA, in Los Angeles, USA, the number one hospital in the West Coast and the number two across the US. Our commitment to patient centricity and person-centered approach to care. We're combining the highest quality of care and delivery with the highest level of patient journey and customer service. We do that through a focus on quality, no doubt, but also through a focus on a healing environment. An example of that is the way we built the hospital, the way we built our concept around the hospital. We have a healing garden, outdoor garden on the 6th floor. Our building is 15-story, 244 beds. We have a healing garden. We have 3 aquariums, live fish aquariums within the hospital. It's not just the wow factor that's important from being a high-touch hospital, but it's also bringing nature inside and having a whole concept around a healing environment. Where we fit also is we're taking advantage of the shift that's taking place slowly in Doha, taking place from a public sector dominated healthcare market into a private sector. Doha, Qatar is planning to roll out mandatory insurance. They just started actually now with mandating insurance on visitors to Qatar. And over the coming few months, they roll out private insurance. So there will be a space for private players to have a bigger role in the healthcare sector as well too.
Now, speaking about your expansion plans, now that you've been operating for 2 years, where are you venturing off to now with your role as Chief Ventures Officer as well?
We've received a lot of interest from quite a few places around the globe, actually. We have signed an MOU with Algeria as Istithmar Holding Elegancia Healthcare to build and operate 400-bed hospital in collaboration with the Ministry of Health of Algeria. That's one project we're very proud of for a young group like us in healthcare. Of course, our company, our parent company is well established and well known in Qatar and the region as well too, outside of healthcare. That depth and that experience has carried itself into healthcare as well too. Currently, in addition to Algeria, we have signed MOUs with investors and developers in places like Kazakhstan. There is interest in places like Egypt and Libya as well too. And we're looking at different opportunities as to expand beyond only the healthcare delivery and the hospital market. We're looking into the patient journey and digital health as well too. So every aspect of the spectrum of healthcare, that's what we're looking at as our growth strategy.
Mr. Bassam Sayed, thank you very much for joining us and all the very best at the Arab Health.
Thank you for having me. I appreciate it. Thank you.